Hello, I'm Dr. Jennifer Collis, Associate Provost for Strategic Educational Programs and Retention Initiatives. The Honors Program at Lakeland Community College offers high-achieving students leadership development and opportunities for service, travel, and social activities while providing an excellent academic experience. Students can participate in special honors level coursework and research and career development programming that provide an impressive history of success and a unique portfolio to present to four-year colleges and universities. Honors transfer partnerships allow for a smooth transition to four-year institutions. Generous honors scholarships provide financial incentives and support for all eligible students. The Honors Program aligns both curricular and experiential opportunities to the honors pillars of community, leadership, and opportunity. Students have participated in such community activities as Earth Day beach cleanup, creation of a veterans garden, and an alternative spring break service trip. Leadership opportunities include membership in Emerging Leaders Program, Phi Theta Kappa Honor Society, and National Collegiate Honors Council. Admissions requirements include a 3.5 high school GPA or transfer, and submission of SAT and ACT scores. Are you ready to pioneer new and interesting challenges? Learn more about this special program by visiting lakelandcc.edu/honors.